We all came with this pain and agony in our head that how to address this odor problem and other problems facing us. But I think we go back with a lot of satisfaction and the fact that there are real steps and solutions that have been taken by chemical suppliers, by scientists, by people in the industry itself. And it's a big step forward for all of us to harbor and adopt these technologies to ensure that we take stronger steps for ourselves in future and for the opportunities that face us both in the domestic market and the markets abroad. So thank the organizing team, Mr. Shekhar Desarda, Pankaj Bhai, and of course Kati for organizing this wonderful conference for all of us. I think we'll go with all smiles on our faces. Thank you.
Great. So this session is open to the house to give their suggestions, observation, anything, or any suggestion you want to give to IFTA, what to be done next to uplift the technical standard, conference standard, or anything. The house is open for you. Girls, please, Mike, can two of you, anybody wants to give any suggestion, any observations? Observations, suggestions. We are looking for something from the youngsters. Yeah, that corner, please.
Since the IFTA is more technically oriented more, so during presentation the duration time to be increased, because 10 minutes explaining the technicality case studies will be very lack of time. I think it should be minimum 20 minutes is required for to explanation the technicality and to address the maximum possible questions. Of course, after the meeting we'll go and discuss with the individual, but the questions raised by in the public is maybe someone will not able to raise the questions even they want to ask the questions. So if it is an open forum, instead of discussing outside, if it is the questions raised and answered in the team, it will be helpful for me.
Your point is very well taken, that each author should be given longer time, but there are two aspects. One, providing you a longer time, agree in our zeal to accommodate more speakers, the time is reduced, and I think it's very valid, the time should be increased. But there is another aspect, the art of preparing the slide. And I did not see you in the authors meet. I wish all the authors, they come to the authors meet and carry forward how to prepare the slide so that you can communicate what you want to say in maybe 10 slides, 15 slides. We find people come with 30, 40 slides, heavily scripted in a small word. They know what they have done, but for the audience to understand to those slides is very, very tough. So I'm not denying your point. I'm to begin with again say your point well accepted. Please also join author's mind so that together your presentation carries forward very well by the delegate. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Just now we were discussing about the identification as well as measurement of the odor. Being an academician, I will try my level best to use the AI for detection and measurement of this odor. And artificial intelligence.
Good. Dr. Sarpal has a very, very luminous academic career, and I think if we approach him, he has a lot of solution to offer. Thank you, Dr. Sarpal.
Thank you. Thank you.
राठी जी आप हैं कि नहीं है? प्रकाश भाई नहीं. Yes, please. Any more? looking for some more valuable suggestions. Prakash bhai, ahiya jaayega. I am looking for 3 suggestions from age group below 35. Yeah.
Good afternoon. Myself Shankar. This is related to.
Can you be louder?
Yeah. So myself Shankar. This is related to one of the observations came from the keynote speaker in the Lehman related to the paperization concept. That was really catchy in terms of improving the perception of our industry within the society and within the country. I don't know, we have created something of similar in the other part of the world. And this is not just can be initiated by the producers, and it should be a joint effort between the producers as well as the users, like the converter. So looking forward to see some more actions towards this paperization concept from the.
Okay, thank you. IPTA doesn't want to be looked as a gender bias. So can some ladies come forward to ask some questions? Dr. Lal, Gunjan, 2 from the paper industry that I see. Any observation, Dr. Lal? Dr. Preeti? देखिए तारीफ मत करिएगा बस और बाकी
I'm very thankful to IPTA for giving this forum, and really it's very good, insightful to have different segments of packaging, different kind of packaging, and the future prospects we are looking forward. The market growth which directly relate with the today's demand, and we can see, and it's a very good forum actually. We could interact and we could understand, and I'm very thankful to IPTA. It's a praise actually. अगर अच्छा है तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ सर उसके लिए?
अगर आपको शुद्ध हिंदी में सुनना है कॉन्फ्रेंस में क्या हुआ तो मैं प्रकाश जी को ही बोलूँगा। क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है पूरे 2 दिन का निचोड़ क्या है?
2 दिन का निचोड़ ऐसे निकालेंगे कि हम आप लोगों से पूछते हैं कि क्या सारा इंतजाम ठीक था, खाना ठीक था, पार्टी ठीक हो गई, आपके बैठने की उठने की व्यवस्था ठीक हो गई, ये आप जवाब देंगे। उसके हिसाब से मैं तो अपने मन के लड्डू कुछ भी बनाऊंगा। बोलना आपको है। आप सब लोग आए, बहुत संख्या में आए, एंड सॉरी मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा था। दिस नॉर्मली ऑन सेकंड डे वी ऑलवेज सी 40-50% or less attendance, but today hats off to all of you that the hall is still full, and thank you so much. As far as the environment, weather, all these things, they were very favorable to all of us, and from the organizer side, Shekhar and myself and our team will request that June, July will never hold any IPTA, will hold only in November, so that everybody enjoys. This weather is very good. Everybody has taken a lot of efforts. You all came registering to the large number of 300, almost 350, 325 people. And Aurangabad is not really that way easy and that way not easy to commute. But still, all of you made a great contribution by attending. One, and secondly, the leadership for the future has to emerge from the younger team, and one has to see that the leadership really emerges, because if IPTA has to be there, it is there for last 75 years.
1964 till 1970 years.
70 years, and it has to still go another 100 years. So the leadership has to come from the people. And the best part of it is normally what happens if in north or somewhere the IPTA conference or seminar is there, it is mostly discussed about the new technologies relating to writing, printing, duplex, etc. but Western region is basically a packaging paper manufacturing hub. So taking the subject like this on corrugation problem, and giving the insight to the corrugation and paper industry, like we discussed order, like we yesterday discussed fluting medium. All this gives a very good insight, and the message goes very far and wide. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ekta.
Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah, Rajesh.
Hello. So my one suggestion is that we are conducting IFTA in different cities, and now 300, 400 people are coming, delegates are coming. Why can't we initiate to select some space in that region to plant trees? We can have initiative, provide sampling to each one, and within half an hour, 1 hour time, we can go identify and we can have a tree plantation in that area. So that will be a memory for future. After this area, we came 4 years back, our trees have grown up. So this is the one thing I am thinking that we should plan for plantation everywhere.
Wonderful, wonderful suggestion, and more your sentiments I value. That to keep the planet green, to give a green look to the industry. Thank you very much. I'll put it up to the executive committee for observation that on day one when we hold party, we have to wind it up a bit early because we want to come back next day. So can we have the party on day 2 and run it through the midnight? What is your suggestion? Any suggestion? Is it a good idea to have the gala party on day 2 and run it through the midnight, or continue like this, what's happening on day 1?
I guess we can look at an alternate program schedule that we, on day 1, we start around lunchtime, allowing everybody to reach on day 1, start the program on half day on day 1, and end on day 2 in the evening with the gala evening in the to end it. That could be one option.
Any reaction, quick reaction, suggestion?
The program should be Friday, Saturday, so that next day will be Sunday.
Yeah.
So that late night you have to party like that. Next day should be Sunday.
Good.
Just,
They should not have one at night.
and we should have a next sometime if we are organizing on ETP, we are organizing on pulp mill, paper making. We should organize one conference for this type for molded fiber also. What are the challenges in molded fiber technologies, various technologies?
Thank you, Rajkumar. Your point is very
During Mr. Ramaya and to Subramanian was mentioning a point that we would like to, we are going through different challenges and we are in a different growth trajectory. All of us we know. And the pre-COVID levels are not going to be there, because many of us are thinking when we reach pre-COVID level, we will see we are in the crossroad and all. People slowly, we need to forget of pre-COVID level. Now this is what the reality is, and we need to make a baseline and then try to improve the overall internal efficiency, what Mr. Pawan Khaitan was talking about and all the people are talking about, to do some value addition in the industry. So in that process, he was mentioning about a point of more and more youngsters and more female delegates, women participation. So I would request the member companies, the member mills, more and more participation from paper mills first, irrespective of writing and printing or copier or duplex board or folding box board or craft paper. It is Pulp and Paper Technical Association, right? Different grades of paper. So the more and more paper mills have to participate, and we seniors have to stay back and support them from behind and then put the younger talent front. And more young brains, more and more younger talent, more and more young boys and girls, GETs and senior managers, assistant managers, and those type of people to come in. Probably they will get a better exposure. If we are running a company, then suppose we are exposing some 4 or 5 people in every seminar, the younger team is going to get very good exposure level. And the younger mind is faster in learning, grasping, and faster in learning. So the implementation can be faster. Very important thing what I see in the member mails in, one is knowledge gathering, the other one is the result is going to come only when you implement on the floor. The implementation, they are the people fighting the Kargil war. They are the people fighting it on the shop floor. Once they have it on their shoulder and hold it, implementation is going to be much faster and things will move very, very fast and the days are much, much brighter for the paper industry. We all will support them. We are there. Always we are there. We will be behind. We will be supporting them. But keep them at the front and make them lead and then participate more and more. This is my just a request and suggestion. Thank you so much.
Any comments from Shekhar Bhai or Pankaj Bhai? Shekhar ji, anything you want to say?
So first of all, thank you very much all the delegates and all the organizing committee. I think this was a very pleasant and amazing interaction between the paper industry and its users. And particularly, I will say that this type of program should be conducted more and more, and young generation should come forward. And I will once again specify that we should change the name of city to Sambhaji Nagar. Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you very much all of you for being here. In our history of IPTA, it is for the first time that we jointly organize a conference. And when we started this journey, there were lots of ifs and buts in our mind. And I will be honest to tell you, it is true that the corrugation industry is not fully satisfied with what they are getting. In past, when a small effort was made, there were a lot of difference of opinion, and we were worried actually how this factor would be. Yeah, true. But my compliment to the large presence of corrugation fraternity and also from the paper industry, that they really appreciated the views of both sides, and we have seen a very, very healthy discussion, very healthy discussion. And some of the sessions, whatever papers were presented, were eye-opener for the paper industry. I'll be honest to tell you, I didn't know what is the difference, really the difference between a fluting media and a liner, which got clear. We didn't know what are the applications of paper. For me, a corrugation box was an Amazon box, not beyond. So thank you very much for the people, Pankaj Bhai, a large fraternity of ICMA, who have come here, Paper Mill, technology provider, all of you who have come and shared the knowledge. We'll move it to the Best Paper Award. There were jury were Dr. Bipin Thapliyal and Mahesh Gandhi ji. I would invite a few words from Mahesh Bhai about before I announce the award.
It is good to see that collaboration yields a very good result. Otherwise, it is always one-sided story. And there is a good amount of preparation which must have gone into it, selection of topics, to selection of delegates also. There was collaborative effort in presentations also. Probably there were invited papers, and they were technical papers. And whatever papers which were presented carried the sense of the theme of the seminar. Topics were relevant and they were so crisply presented that we could gauge instant reaction from the delegates' reaction. That was something which was very crisp, and that is where the communication was two-way. From the dais also, something was getting communicated, the reaction was coming very fast. So that was very heartening to see. I think this practice we will continue.
So there are 3 items on this agenda. One is the announcement of Best Paper Award. 2, our Thanksgiving, a memory memento to many of you who have made this conference a success. The last would be the family picture of IPTA. At that time, we request all of you to come forward, be seated, and then we'll take a picture. So, please keep guessing where the award goes. We have best paper, first runner-up, and second runner-up. Any guess for the second runner-up? Hard. The second runner-up goes to the person who danced best last night. Can you guess who is he? Haji, so Tejinder ji, where are you? Where are you? That is recognizing paper strength and production, efficiency and PABM chemistry. Come please. Tejinder gets this award, second runner-up. Ladies are not behind, and I invite Dr. Preeti Lal to share the second runner-up. Please, Dr. Preeti Lal. Please. Her initiative is taken over by the farmers or the paper mills in Punjab, and the parali burning is stopped. Where are you, Dr. Preeti Lal? Please stay on the other side for a group photo later. The first runner-up goes to a gentleman. Michael. Michael, where are you? Please come. Mr. Michael von Brambach from PTG. Please come over. Please come over. Optimizing cost and quality in craft paper products. The first award, or whichever way you may like to say, goes to the one of the youngest speaker, Anmol Paper Sharma. Where are you? Where is he? Shiva, where is he? Boss, आपको तो pitch करना चाहिए that your paper will win award. Anyhow, I think if is he around? Father is buried. Otherwise, आप आ जाइए. हाँ, रुक जाओ. अच्छा आ रहे हैं तो वेट कर रहे. हाँ, 2 मिनट रोक लेते हैं. कोई बात नहीं. We will hold the ceremony when he comes. Till then, Pavanji, you take your seat. I'll start giving the. Is he coming around? नहीं, फूल तो जब चाहिए तो नहीं मिलता है. आप बुला के लाइए. Prathi ji has said that we have to encourage the young one. So, आप लोगों को भी 2 मिनट की तकलीफ दूंगा खड़े रहने की. So, we would like to आगे. Please come over. Please come. So the best paper award, a round of applause. I'll announce the name. We'll go a bit quickly and request them to please take that left steps to come forward and then exit through these steps. So Amrit Paper, anybody Amrit Paper? If you are there, raise your hand. Andres Technology, Anmol Polymer, please write your money.
इधर क्रॉसिंग कर लें तो वीडियो और इधर कैमरा नीचे ले यहाँ से भी निकल रहा हूँ
XChem solution, please come. XChem solution. Belmac. Belmac.
अब ये मोबाइल लिंक पे क्या बोल सकते हो? वो थोड़ी यार तुम डायरेक्ट उसको
Belmac. VTG. अभी तो पीछे लगा. XChem IA please. तालियों की कमी रह रही है.
सेंटर को लेना उनको
Butane polymer, please come. Eastern bearing, Elephant, Spoke Marshal, yeah. JMC, Latvia Rubber, Sanjeev Bhai, and Gay. Parasan, Ajo Madhur, Brooklyn, Balaji, are you here? Brooklyn, please come. Please pop. Yeah, where is Akash? Akash, yes. Ajay. Karwal, anybody? FD Corporation. Karwal, anybody there? Please come. Balaji, Brooklyn, come. Akash, Sarwar, SD Corporation, Shalimar Wire, yeah, SD Corporation. Shalimar Wire. Anybody from Shalimar Wire? Anybody from Shalimar Wire, please raise your hand. Sri Dinesh. Tamil Nadu Newsprint. Vertex. Zenith Rubber. Zenith Rubber, anybody is here? Vertex, Zenith, Zeta Chemicals, Zeta Polymer, Abhirami Pump, Axiom Solution, North Screen, Ajo Rajesh, North Screen, Papyrus Expo, Papyrus please come.
कहीं जाना है क्या सर?
Eastern bearing, Alexa technology, technology, EchoSure, thank you very much. EchoSure, Globe Tech, please come forward. Global Fleet, and Belmac. Kindly take your seat. We have another 5-7 minutes off. Belmac has come. Last Belmac has come. Okay. Rest all the people, please sit down. Pavanji, please stay back. Rest all the people, please sit down. Great. We would like to now share a memento, Pavanji, with our technical committee or the jury, Mr. Mahesh Gandhi. Mahesh bhai, please come. Jury, but on the demand of ministry, he had to go. So we'll make the memento reach to him. Then to our ever energetic MC Purva. Please, Purva, please come. Sandeep, where are you, please? Please come. Sandeep and Purva, they made it together. An excellent presentation. The entire outline of the seminar was rather laid down by Mr. Shekhar Deshata. So Shekhar ji, please come forward. Prakash ji, please you also come forward together. Prakash ji, please come forward. Prakash ji, के लिए क्या बैग में प्रकाश जी को पवन जी प्रकाश जी to this conference. Very hard work was done by entire staff, and it is Delhi, Nitesh, and Vikas. Please come. Please come. Delhi, Nitesh. Staff we run at IPTA, and obviously these people have done a hard grinding to make it a success. I would now request, we have a wisdom coming from Mr. Krishnan. So, Mr. Krishnan, please. Please give a round of applause for our President, Mr. Pawan Khaitan, and request everybody, please. With this,
on this occasion, and a beautiful organized the man behind the show, not behind the show, in front of the show and behind the show also. I know how much hard work Goelji has done for organizing this, and to the important thing that he has operated the minutest of expenses, not in the cash. Everything he has done on-online, and nothing has been paid in cash, and such a sincere and such a organized by Mr. Goel. I will request Bhabhi also to come on the dais here. That my son Madhur told that why Mr. Goelji is like this is because of the Bhabhi also. Yes, you know it better. So Malini जी गोयल and मोहन जी गोयल इन सबको जो है पवन जी और कृष्ण जी है अवार्ड देंगे.
I shared elsewhere, but let me tell you, all the show was managed by Prakash Bhai. We are only
बोलने की बात है गोयल जी, चलो ठीक है.
Thank you.